my God, what have we gotten ourselves into?
Any of everything.
Look at what you getting greeted with. They like, hey, you got mail, you got smell.
Got smell. So yeah, it come with a couch. Look at this thing, got soot everywhere. Man, it's a dead mouse right there.
That boy suffocated up in this joint.
Ugh. I don't want to walk through this. I ain't gonna lie. You might have been walking through this bitch.
I'll give you $1,000 right now to take it off my hand.
It's like you a stumble, fucking fall, running out there.
Babe.
I need some stilts. That's what we need to buy, some stilts. This is crazy, man.
Got food plates, stools with food on them, handprints. Babe, you trying to make me go first? Hey, look here, Jack. Man, we gotta get to stepping on stuff. Like, no, I ain't gonna disrespect. Man, they ain't got no stick or something. Got the nerve to have a 70-inch TV. And like, what if they ramshack the house? How they gonna ramshack the house, leave a TV and a laptop?
They was living in here.
Okay, for real, y'all. Okay, I wanna just get to the step. You leap. Just leave. I'm stepping on a chicken bone. Babe, if something get me, do you know that it's gonna go down in history that something got me and you was cool and ran?
So this one definitely need to clean out.
Put your sleeves up.
Sleeves up, pants legs down.
Oh wait, never mind. Put your sleeves down.
Man.
Put your sleeves down. So this is going to the upstairs. There's no way I'm about to make it all the way over there from here.
Take one for the team and step on this nasty shit.
Man, they just should have took some shovel and just came through here on some boom, made a walkway.
That's the discount.
Oh no. What the heck? Oh no. Look at the kitchen.
You know why I look like this too?
Why?
All the water they was spraying in here, getting the fire out. Look at the stove. They probably started a fire right here in this turkey pot. Look at the refrigerator. Somebody come look at this here. The good thing is I don't think no framing is damaged. Y'all have to do your own due diligence, but look at that framing. That stuff look good. They pulled everything down. This is the kid room. Batman, Ratman. Nah, rats ain't putting all that stuff apart like that. They got donations earth, so they probably had roaches. She talking about me. If something happened to me, you be woo to me. Safe to say we ain't going to the basement.
At all. Why did the thing chirp back at me though?
Smoke detectors, need batteries. Look at the walls, y'all. Like alligator skin. Now we're going to look upstairs.
I'm going back.
I mean, you in front of me.
That'd be crazy if they was actually trying to get out.
Chicken bones, bunch of chicken bones. Chicken bones, headphones, thongs, tray songs. So it just need a real good clean out.
Man, what if somebody was chilling on this bed? They got an office up here.
Somebody love chicken, that's for sure.
This goes down in the books.
As y'all can see, this boy caught on fire. Nice brick in the front, asphalt driveway. 2-car garage. Look, somebody hit the garage. They probably slid. Roof nice. Got a couple shingles. Peeled all that ain't nothing. This is a newer roof. Double decker deck. Electric meter gone. I wonder if it's electrical fire. Come through, wipe these walls down. Hit it with that good old Kills paint. Some oil base, cover up all this. They got certain restore paint for soot and stuff like that. This is not gonna last long though.
This gonna go fast.
This is a nice one.